everybody, how you all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. I am excited. Today is the grand finale of the 10K triple play giveaway. Before I get started, I want to thank you guys for getting me to 10,000 plus subscribers now. I really appreciate it. It's mind-blowing to me that I've gotten to that level. It's awesome. Again, thank you. What we're doing today, we're giving away a TRD Pro Style grill. It's right here behind me. This is for the 2016 through 2019 Toyota Tacoma. Big shout out to Twan over at runninfortacos.com. He provided this grill for the giveaway. I really appreciate that. If you don't win and you're looking for one of these grills, hit those guys up over there. They're awesome. They have other products as well. Check them out, runninfortacos.com. Great quality, great prices. I'd recommend them. So, what do we have? Right here behind me is a TRD Pro Style grill. You guys can see, comes complete with the lettering installed, unlike some other ones that you get out there. Also has the TRD Pro Style, or the TRD Pro Style, the Raptor style lights already installed in the grill. And then over here we have the wiring so that you can get it hooked up and make it shine. What do you have to do to win? Well, it's pretty simple. You need to be a subscriber to the channel. Obviously, the channel is RobMotive. You need to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is RobMotive. And you need to comment below this video with your Instagram name. Make sure you get it exactly as it's supposed to be, because that's how I'm going to contact you if you win. Include all those dots and dashes and all that stuff so that I can get a hold of you. That's it. 5 days from today, which will be next Thursday, I'll post up a video after 3 p.m. Eastern Time showing you guys the selection of the winner via the random comment generator. I will acknowledge you guys with a big thumbs up. I'm not going to leave any comments on this video myself responding to you guys, because if I do, I'll be entering myself in the drawing. And I'm not looking to win my own grill, so we're not going to do that. That's it. In the unlikely event that I can't get a hold of the person that wins, I'll give it a couple of days, something like that, and then we will select a different winner. So make sure you get that Instagram name right. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that when I announce the winner, you'll get notification that the video's out and you can see if you've won. Thanks again for watching. Thanks again for the 10,000 subscribers. And we'll see you next time on the web. Have a great day. Bye.